Here we go, race fans. Cragger here from craggernews.com. We missed the first lap there with the, thought they were getting a warm-up lap. Newsom late for Blackburn there. Jimmy Furlong fourth. Woodley's fourth, won the Vee race earlier. We're on the reverse configuration. You've got to figure it out here in Mondello Park. And two races, one today, one tomorrow. Here's Max Hart coming up, tangled with Nick Hall, Will Hall on the last lap. Will Hall seems to have disappeared. There we go, Newsom out of the last corner, usually the first corner. It's all back to front here. Blackburn now tucked under his gearbox as he comes up the hill towards me at Dunlop. Holds on, Blackburn now. Furlong towards still, Andy Cross. There's Jack Moore trying to get past me, but way long. As they go over the crest of the hill now towards Intriesses. Look at this now, Fleming there, just ahead of Mark Keane out this way again. Matt Golden then. 78 Dave O'Loughlin, first time out this weekend. Max Hart still at the back. There we go, leaders back with us already. Frantic pace in the heat here in Mondello Park this afternoon. Newsom from Blackburn, Furlong. There's Buckley then holding off Cross. A Fylon trying to get in there. Jack Bourne, McBride just behind him. Tim Murray there out first time today. The Vee as well. Good man, Ken Brown. Oh, he must have been struggling there. He was well up the order earlier on. Seems to have lost the pace somewhere. Fairly tight in the grid. 22 cars out today. Go, Newsom back with us again. Blackburn still tucked under the gearbox, gapped the Furlong, pulled away from Cross this time now. Fylon up the inside of Buckley there, doesn't manage to hold him off. There we go, there's a pass, there's Murray getting past Stephen Moran. Tyke Shark, he's tucked in behind them. 31 Mark Miller went well in the Vee race earlier on this morning. Fleming then, Bolden, Keane, other new lads in the yellow car. And there's Max Hart making places now. Finally gets past 78. And Nick Mulhall is back out. Good man, Nick. Managed to keep himself in the race. Leaders now coming onto the straight here. Into the bomb hole. Don't know what a bomb hole is in reverse. Anyway, up over the crest. Newsom, Blackburn. Look at the gap now. They're pulling away now. Well away from Furlong. There was Cross now is pulling away as well as this starts to splinter behind. Fylon there. Jack Bourne just trying to get past him. Doesn't make it. McBride, there's Barden back up the inside of Murray. Ken Brown then coming through. Fleming on his own as well. Stretched out further back, is it? It's hard to go through now. He got past O'Loughlin on the last lap. A lap or two down, buttons to the goal. Oh, chance for the lead here at Mondello Park. Blackburn's got himself in front. Try and keep him in the shot. Somewhere out the back of the track. Newsom now trying to go the long way around here. Don't think that's going to work in indeed. Just a little stay where you are from Blackburn. Keeps Newsom behind him. Buckley then off way on. Jack Bourne through. McBride now, he's just starting to fall away a bit. Moran then still with Murray. Sharky's trying to close in on the two then. Join in the action. There's Ken Brown now with the oversteer there as he goes around the corner. Just to keep going up. Oh, it's tight now here between Keane and our new driver and another new driver. The yellow car. Get a name check for you now. Newsom. Normal service resumed. Back in front. The action is happening out the back of the track. I thought this would be the spot here for the action today, but we haven't seen much so far. Cross now closing in on Furlong. Really looking to make a move there before the end of the race. Race now at this stage, I would have thought. Yeah, then here's Moran now. He's having a great battle with Murray there. There's Sharky now. Miller just closing in on him. For a lap or so, we'll be right with him. Back of the cars coming down the straight here now. Fleming is the first of them. Holden, Max has got more places. There's Justin Gray there. Even the same number on his car, but it's the only name in the programme I don't recognise. That I can't read off the side. All the yellow flags are out here at Dunlop, but we seem to have lost Colin Blackburn. Max Hart is in the gravel here beside me. Scarped still on the last lap. Blackburn seems to have disappeared. This unfortunate season seems to be continuing. Not sure now what happened. We see as further down the order. A few black cars in the race. Murray is still got it ahead of Moran there. Sharky and Miller there together. Brown. No sign of Blackburn. Obviously a few problems. day here at Mondello Park. Doesn't suit the air cooled engines. Park is out to grace, made a place back there. And Keane's still at home off there. Home still at the bike. Start there, just fixing his hair on the bank. Massive lead now for Lee Newsom, he's on his own. Blackburn has disappeared. You can sort of ease it off a bit maybe. Doesn't sound great there. I wonder are they struggling with the heat here at the Vees. Air cooled 1600cc engines. Pylon still stuck behind Buckley. Behind there in the B race earlier on till he went off. Now with the race himself. Right now, he's having a great race with Arnold. The two of them are swapping. Lost Mark Miller there it seems. Ken Brown coming in. He's just off the bike now of and still gap to Bowden, Gray. Further back down to Greg Keane. 15. Here we go once again. Lee, blistering pace here. Coming up on the back markers now very soon. So Furlong. Fleming. Anthony Cross in third. Oh, there's Luca Fuelon just running wide there as he tries to get past Gavin. So easy there to think you might have the outside line, but the inside just has to sort of run out a bit. Your left hanging out to dry. Ken Brown. Here we go, here comes Nelson now. Back onto the straight once again. There's another lap in it. No sign of movement with the flag. Half a straight ahead now is Lee. He's just to keep himself going there and he's going to have the win in the bag. Fuelon, cross third. Buckley then. Fuelon had to pull out that move because there's a yellow flag here because Max's car is over in the gravel. Jack Bourne now has managed to get himself past Shenlock. Right. Good stuff there, excellent. So, there's Tim now. Stephen Moran just ran wide here last lap around. So he's lost out a few places. Managed to get himself out of gravel here alright, but look how much he's after losing there. Tim's long gone through. Here's Moran up to the corner now. Fleming, Holden. Ray is catching him alright. Let's see a bit of action there before there's only a lap or two left, isn't there? Keane now, oh there's Will Hall getting up the inside. Great stuff from him. Paul Lewis is 15 in the orange car. O'Loughlin then. Miller who was off. Oh, and there's Lee Newsom taking the flag in the background. Ah, great win for Lee there. Blackburn pushed him in the early stages. But our winner today, Lee Newsom. Great stuff. Furlong is second. Ross is third. Buckley. Fuelon. Jack Bourne then just getting the jump on McBride. Until tomorrow, this has been Craig for CraigerNews.com.